This is the first drive. Okay guys, in the last video you see us go ahead and pick up the car, get it out of the shop. Now we're gonna go ahead and drive it home. Drod's driving my SRT 392 and I get the pleasure of driving my whip-old Mustang. Oh man, here we go. This is the first drive. You guys get to come along and see what this car's all about. So I'm gonna just adjust my seatbelt here. This is my first time ever driving a whip-old Mustang, and especially one that is mine, which kind of feels crazy to me. So I'm just plugging my phone here, and yeah, okay. Ready, sir?
Ready.
All right, here we go. Got to angle out of this driveway. God. Holy hell. Oh my God. Do you guys hear those pops? Oh my God. Holy hell. The response is unbelievable. And the pops, oh my God, I'm about to faint. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Listen to those pops, boys and girls. I'm a freak out, man. Wow. I'm barely even like tapping the throttle, but the response, it's just so responsive. Goodness, what have I done? What have I done? This is insane. I haven't even like gotten into it yet. I'm going 40 miles an hour and I'm literally smiling like a kid that just opened the best Christmas present of his life. Okay, that power feels so good. Oh my goodness, what have I done? Jesus. I didn't even take it up to red line. I'm too scared to take it up to red line right now because it's pulling so hard. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry guys, I'm way too excited. I hope you guys can bear with me here while I gather my thoughts. I know I'm not making sense right now, but this is such a big moment, man. This is such, oh man. I don't even know what to say. Like, I am legit lost for words. I am legit lost for words right now. Just making sure my camera's recording. The MGW feels so good. Everything just feels really, really nice. I haven't even heard the supercharger one because I really haven't taken it up there yet. I might do a second gear right now. revs out so quick. And it sounds so good. It's never sounded this good. Literally the Corsa system was just made for this. So I don't want to beat on it too hard just yet because this is the first drive with it. So I'm sure it's got to kind of break in and everything. But it just feels so strong. And this is just a Whipple tune, you know, this, I'm sure this is a very conservative tune from them. I know we haven't heard some whine yet. I totally feel for you guys right now. I want to make a little bit of noise, but I just don't want to take it into redline just yet. I want to have at least, like, you know, 15-20 miles on it. This is insane. Here comes Rod. First drive is going really good. I'm just really enjoying it right now. I'm kind of trying to soak it all in. It's very different. The car feels very different. It feels like an absolute monster over what it was before. This thing doesn't make sense, man. This thing doesn't make sense. It just pulls so smooth. So smooth. I literally feel like this car was supposed to be like this. It actually drives smoother than it did before I dropped it off, in terms of like just everything. It feels really, really smooth. This was the best decision I ever made. I honestly should have done this sooner. It literally is just like, I don't know, it just changed the whole car. I'm absolutely in love with the car even more now than I was before, and I was already madly in love with this thing, man. But just it being a manual, holy hell, dude. It pulls so hard. It pulls so hard and so good. Now I can't be banging gears in this because I will end up breaking my transmission if I do, so I do have to take it easy. So I'm probably going to be shifting a little slower than I normally would, especially the way I used to when it was naturally aspirated, until I see what the next step is going to be transmission wise. But I mean, we added enough power that even if I shift a little slower, I should be more than good. God, what a blessing, man. What a blessing this is. I gotta cruise it to neutral. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause it right here for a second. I'm gonna get Rod and show him what I've done. Park over there. Oh, I need to step out for a breath of air.